painting and minting a Renault 4 carburetor, start by cleaning it. Disassemble the carburetor and clean the parts with a suitable cleaning product. If the carburetor is heavily solid, soaking it in heated white vinegar may be helpful. Shake the float, clean or replace the jets, and use compressed air to blow out the passages, and finally reassemble everything with new parts. The mounting nuts. Remove the small metal filter located behind the fuel inlet. If necessary, adjust the carburetor for a stable idle. Cleaning and repair steps. Disassembly. Remove the air filter and fuel line. Unhook the throttle spring and carburetor linkage. Remove the carburetor by unscrewing the mounting nuts. Clean all screws, jets, and jet wells with a spray cleaner, then blow out any residue. Checks and repairs. Check that the float is not punctured and that it floats properly. If it is punctured, replace it. Remove and clean the jets, idle main, and accelerator. A thin wire or an old throttle cable can be used to clear the orifices. Use it to clear the orifices. Deep cleaning. Open the carburetor bowl by unscrewing the top screws to access the inside. Soak the metal parts in carburetor cleaner. or heated white vinegar. After cleaning, rinse the parts with gasoline and dry them with compressed air. Assembly and adjustment. Reassemble the carburetor using a new gasket set if necessary. Reinstall the carburetor onto the engine, ensuring the return spring is correctly installed. Adjust the idle screw until a steady engine speed is achieved. For fine tuning, tighten the mixture screw until the engine speed begins to drop, then adjust the idle speed as needed. For a good job, I recommended tools and equipment for this job. Open end wrenches 7, 8, 10 mm. Flathead screwdriver with a thin plate. Carburetor cleaner spray. Air blow gun. Complete rebuild kit with gaskets, diaphragm and needle valve. That's all for this video today. I wish you a good time and I wish you a nice day. I will see you the next video. Goodbye, and don't forget to subscribe in the channel and put like to the video. Thank you very much for watching.